Good afternoon, welcome to Series 3 class. The exposition of Series 3 centered on history of Christianity in West Africa. Under this, we'll be looking at how Christianity or the Christian missionaries came into West Africa. But before this invention or the exploration of West Africa, the Europeanists or the white man believed that there are two lands in the world or in the universe. According to them or to their belief, we have what we call the northern land, and then we have the southern land in the universe. The northern land was occupied by the Europeans or the Europeanists, or the so-called white nations. Then the southern land was occupied by North Africa, that is the northern Africa. So they never believed that there is what we call West Africa until 1400. 1400, that is 15th century. That is when Eri, the navigator, invaded West Africa through the Sahara Desert. So at the invasion of West Africa, Eric the navigator visited 4 principal lands or towns in West Africa. The first place he visited was Senegal. Then after Senegal, he visited Ghana. Then after Ghana, he visited Nigeria. Then he now visited Sierra Leone in 1460. Why that of the station to Nigeria was 1475. And Eri happened to be the 4th son of John I, the king of Portugal or Portuguese. So during this period, he navigated West Africa and invaded and discovered that there is a place called West Africa. So from this point, other European nations began to invade the land of West Africa. Therefore, there are 3 basic reasons why the Portuguese exploit Africa. One of the reasons is what we call economic reason. Economic reason. They needed materials, goods, and then other natural resources because at the contact with West African nations, they discovered that West African nation is rich. The other reason is to reduce the influence of Islamic education or teachings in West Africa. So then the 3rd reason is for religious purpose. Religious purpose. That was the 3rd reason why they invaded the last of Africa. So in our next meeting, we'll be looking at the role that Eri the navigator played in the spread of Christianity in West Africa.